I'm Bazeed Shaik, an AI and Agentic Systems leader with over 18 years of experience building autonomous AI platforms, multi-agent frameworks, and secure AI architectures at scale. My core expertise lies in designing and deploying AI-driven multi-agent systems. I've architected frameworks where specialized agents, research, content, moderation, and orchestration agents collaborate autonomously to accomplish complex workflows. Using platforms like LangChain, CrewAI, OpenAI Agents, and custom orchestration layers, I build systems where agents reason, plan, and execute with minimal human intervention. AI security is at the heart of everything I do. I design AI governance frameworks, implement responsible AI practices, and ensure that every AI system I build operates with integrity, accountability, and compliance. I've worked extensively on AI model evaluation, guardrail systems, prompt injection prevention, data privacy in LLM pipelines, and regulatory alignment for AI deployments. Security isn't an afterthought, it's built into the architecture from day one. My AI or ML foundation spans the full spectrum, from classical machine learning, NLP, and computer vision to modern LLMs, generative AI, and foundation models. I'm deeply proficient in building RAG pipelines, fine-tuning models with LoRa and QLoRa, leveraging Hugging Face transformers, and integrating AI into production systems using Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, NumPy, and Pandas. Beyond AI, I bring strong multi-cloud expertise across AWS, Azure, and GCP. I've architected hybrid cloud solutions, containerized AI workloads with Kubernetes and Docker, and built scalable backend systems using fast API, microservices, and serverless technologies. My background includes CI/CD automation, API-led integration, data engineering pipelines, and real-time architectures. As Chief AI Officer at SLK Software, I led enterprise AI strategy, built centers of excellence for Gen AI, and delivered agentic AI platforms that transformed how organizations operate. Currently, as founder of Bazai, I'm building the next generation of multi-agent orchestration and LLM-powered cognitive automation for enterprise use cases. I also hold certifications across AWS, Azure, GCP, Kubernetes, CCIE, ITIL, and PMP, and I actively share technical knowledge through my YouTube channel and open-source projects on GitHub. When you need someone who can design secure, scalable, multi-agent AI systems that deliver real business value, that's exactly what I bring to the table.